me as I style this hair blended wig. You can't believe the transformation. I'll first remove the glue from the previous installation. I've done a video on my page on how to do that. I'ma make I first short because I get plenty work to do. Using my towel as a white base so that I will see exactly what I'm doing. The reason for this towel is because I want to pluck this hair again so that I will see exactly where I'm to pluck and where I'm not to pluck. Before plucking, I will first hot comb it all to the back using my wax stick. Now I will start the styling proper. First of all, use your wax stick, apply on the hair and use the hot comb to comb it back. Now when I don't see the places where I need to pluck and where I don't need to pluck, I will now pluck out the places that are too full for me. I'm trying to achieve a natural hairline that is swept all back, so I will be needing a lot of plucking on the hairline part, that's the front of the frontal. This hair has already been plucked in our previous installation, that's why I did not do much. If you want to know how to pluck very well, please request for our online installation class. It's just 12,000 naira. You will learn everything about installation, including plucking and styling of your wig. You also learn how to customize your hairline. This is all I did on the hair, and I applied got to be spray to hold the hair